Badminton ball. Badminton ball. See? Badminton. Badminton. We use a badminton. There, badminton. We use a magnifying glass. We use a lamp. We use a cat.
Nice. So cool. Ella!
What do you use it for? It's cooking! It's cooking an egg.
Is it?
At the bottom, look.
Oh yeah.
Cooking an egg. What else is it doing? I think it's just cooking the egg. There's a clock. Look at the clock. Look at that man. Look, they use something like a robot.
Yeah?
What are you supposed to use it for?
It's just for a show, Ella.
Look at the dog up there. Look at that robot kind of thing. There's a robot thing there, and there's a bird, and there's a dog up there.
Babs. So, ito. Kahapon pa kami nandito. Kagabi kami nandito.
I'm wearing my slippers.
Yeah. Kagabi pa kami nandito. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog. Kasi, anong oras na rin yun. But anyways, nandito kami sa Leeds. So, kagabi pa kami dito. Kahapon pa kami dito ng hapon. Uuwi na rin kami today. Sumama lang kami kay tatay. Kasi or Dada will go down. Silly.
Sit down.
No, down there. Okay. Don't push too much because Dada will fall. You fall. So, yun. Sumama lang kami kay tatay. Sinama niya kami kasi may work siya today. Tapos, kahapon kami pumunta dito. Hindi lang talaga ako nag-vlog kasi usapan walang vlog sa unang araw. Dahil nga, nag-iikot-ikot kami. So, today, may work siya. Kami naman ni Ella, maglilibot-libot. Ang funky ng ng floor nila. Diba? So, kakain kami mga bebs. Saglit ha. Dali lang. So, magbe-breakfast kami mga bebs. Kita nyo. So, magbe-breakfast kami. Sandali lang. Kami magbe-breakfast. Saglit lang ha. Sandali lang. Kuha lang kami ng pagkain namin. Saglit lang ha. Dali lang po. Ayan. Kuha kami ng aming breakfast na yan. Ayun yung mga breakfast. Ayan, may ganyan siya. For cereal ata, ayan siya mga bebs. Ayun, may marshmallow. You can do a pancake there as well, I think. Not sure. Pero ayun yung mga breakfast nila. No bacon? Ayun. Okay. Okay, what you want then? Dali lang.
I want toast.
You want toast? Hang on a minute. So, ayan, may bacon, may sausage. Ayun. Dali lang, ha? Ayan siya, may bacon. Siguro, kukuha ako ng bacon. Dali, ako walang kong pagkain ko mga bibs. Ayan yung kinuha ko. Ayan sa Ella. Toast lang kay Ella. Ayan kay tatay. Silipin natin. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung nasa labas namin. Ayan yung harap ng ng hotel.
I just had toast.
You just had toast the last day.
Jam toast.
You said you had a
Every
lot.
time I had like 8 toasts.
8?
Yeah.
Wow. You lived on toast.
I live on toast. On the last day I had 10. because I didn't have any cereal.
So, iniwan na kami ni tatay. Dada went already. And then I have the car keys. I told Ella, right, that's it. Mama's driving. She said,
I'm
no,
driving.
you don't drive.
I'm driving.
Filipino? Oo. Okay lang. 13, 15 years. Ay, meron na akong maliit. Yeah. Ikaw?
Ano po mga 8 years pa lang po ako dito.
8 years. Pero dito ka lang talaga sa Leeds.
Hindi po, nag-slow po.
Okay. Sorry, nag-vlog ako.
Ay, okay lang.
Okay. So, dito, ilang years ka na dito sa Leeds?
Kakaano ko lang po ng 2021 sa mga magtatatlong taon. Palang bago pa lang.
May kasama ka ng family dito?
Opo, magulang ko po. Mga
Talaga?
kapatid ko po.
Ikaw na una dito tapos dinala mo sila dito?
Hindi po, bali po sabay-sabay. Galing po kami ng Spain.
Oh, kaya pala.
Lipat bahay.
Hmm.
Lipat bansa.
So ano ka? Spain, ano ka? Yung
Spanish
residency?
citizen po.
Yung ano, yung papa ko rin, half Spanish. Yung lolo ko, Spanish.
Pero
Doon,
di ba
nagaganon-ganon
po
siya.
sa
Spain at saka Philippines.
Nakapunta na
Seaman.
po kayo ng Spain.
Hindi ako napunta ng Spain.
Punta
No?
po kayo, maganda doon.
Ha?
Maganda po.
Oo
doon.
nga eh.
Ako kayo. Yung
Mura
weather
lang
doon,
pamasahe,
ay,
no?
Tsaka ang weather ay maganda. Pwede kayo mag-swimming.
Oo
Dito
nga
kasi
eh.
pag winter, di ka pwede
Nagpupunta ka pa rin doon, nagbabalik-balik ka lang doon.
pa nga po ulit. Baka po netong darating na
Oo.
kasakay. Uwi mo ng Pinas.
Oo nga.
Uwi
Ay,
po
hindi ka pa
ako.
nakaka-uwi ever since. How many years?
3 taon na rin.
Tagal na, no?
Kaya uwi nga po netong October, may nakaano ko na holiday.
Ay, maganda.
Baka po pagkatapos niyo po kumain, baka po pwedeng bigyan niyo ako ng feedback sa
Of course, of
online okay
course.
lang po.
Oo. Ano na yun?
Bonita po.
Bonita.
Pwede ko pong bigay sa inyo
Sige,
yung
sige.
QR code pagtapos niyo po.
Sige.
Daan na lang po.
Sige. Okay. Okay. We met a Filipino. I knew it.
How did you
She lives in Spain before for a long time. So she got a Spanish citizenship, but she's a Filipino.
You're
Yeah.
fourth Spanish
Mhm.
and eighth Spanish.
Totoo. Yes. Eat na. So yeah, may nakita kaming Pinoy. Ayun na nga, si tatay umalis na, nag-work na si tatay. And then, what's tatay means?
Huh?
What's tatay means? Tatay means dada. That's why I'm...
That's not
Can't,
the same.
oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Marami siyang alam na Tagalog si Ella. What's hindi?
No.
What's oo?
Yeah.
What's kilikili? What's kilikili? Say it so that they know that you know. Come on. What's kilikili? What's kilikili? Armpit. What's pwet-pwet? Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. What's pwet-pwet? Okay. Pero alam niya yun. What's palo? Yes. What's tapon? Ay, tapon nyo. What's tigil?
Stop.
What does mama always tell you when mama wants you to behave? What does mama say? You want Ella, you want what? What does mama always say to you? You're being naughty, ha? You want what? Palo. Yun. You want palo? Sabi ko sa kanya, tigil? You want palo? What's tayo? Tayo.
Down.
Tayo?
And
Stand. What's upo?
sit.
How about higa? What's higa?
Lie down.
Lie down. Good job. Well done. You have a lot of Tagalog words. Sometimes when we talk in Tagalog, she will just pick up some words, don't you? Mm-hmm. And we don't know how she managed to like know what that is. She will just interfere um, while we're talking.
Or
Not
I just repeat what you
interfere.
say.
Yeah, not interfere, but she will like comment. She will do some comments of what you said. So yeah, she's quite good. You understand some bits, don't you? Yeah, good girl. Ayan. Kami na maglalagay sa car ng mga gamit namin kasi we're going to leave. Our checkout is what time?
11.
11 o'clock. So it's only 9:17 anyways.
We need to leave at 9:30. That's when breakfast ends.
Yes. Not to
We
leave.
can
Sit
still
here
eat,
and
but we
eat.
can't get any more.
Yes. Do you want to get anything else? You're fine? Do you want some banana? No? Okay. It's fine. Diba? Ayan yung ano niya.
We
oh.
need to bring our Wotsits just in case we're hungry. I'm gonna bring the Wotsits.
You bring yours, yeah.
I bring all of the Wotsits.
No, I'm not having mine.
I'm still
okay.
gonna bring it.
Ella, you have a lot to bring. Ay. Don't bring dadas though. Okay. So, ayan siya. Ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung building na yan eh. May nakalagay. Ella, can you read what that is? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Town hall?
No,
Hindi ko alam kung ano. Pero ayan siya. So, ito yung leads.
that.
Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Tour. Yes, we're gonna, hang on. Magtutour ko kayo dun sa ano. Akala mo naman ang laki. So, ayan. Ito kami. 2:05 kami. Ayan daw. Ella, come here. I'll take a picture of you here. Here. Come on.
It's locked.
It's okay. Come here. That's it. Stay there. Ay, hang on. Here, Ella. Because it's against the light. Just cover the... Yeah, just cover the cleaning bit. Okay, I'll tell you where. Bit more. Yeah, that's it. Okay? So, nandito kami.
This is our room.
Yan ang room
We
namin.
always have to put it on this side. I don't know why. Will this card work for any room?
Give that. Psst, psst. It's
Does
okay.
Dada
Got it.
have his?
No. He's not coming back here. We're sorting our stuff. Kasi. So, magulo na kasi syempre kagabi nandito na kami.
Where's the one on the desk?
So, ito. Ito yung
We need
Um,
to give this back.
toilet.
Go out.
Yes. Toilet and shower. Malaki yung shower niya, oh.
We need to sort our beds out.
Yeah, ito. No, we don't need to, silly. We're gonna sort out our stuff. So, walang fridge. Wala siyang fridge. Tapos ito, tignan nyo, double purpose siya. Ella! So, ayan. Kino-close yan. Double purpose siya. Tapos ito yung pinaka-cupboard niya. Ayan. Ginamit ko yan kanina yung, yung iron. I used that earlier for Ella and Dada's clothes. So, ayan siya. Ito yung front. Ito ngayon may telly. Wala silang fridge. There's no fridge sa Nutella.
I'm sad.
So, ito double, yes. Ito double bed. At tapos merong single bed doon. Pero yung single bed, that's a, what is it? The single bed is a, what is it?
Oh, it's a couch. Sofa bed.
It's a sofa bed. Ayan, oh. Para siyang futon, kumbaga. Ayan. Pinull out lang siya. Ayun yung oh. Ayun. So, ito siya. Family room ito. Family room. So, Ella was
You
there.
said it was either a king-size bed that I could sleep in with you,
Yes. Or,
a double-sized bed and a double-sized
yeah.
bed.
thought, yeah. But it's not. It's fine.
What if you have more people?
No. You need another room. So ayan yung aming front. Ayan yung makikita mo. Go over there, Ella. Show them. Here.
Wait, I'm in here. The room's very messy because we just woke up. And Dad just gone into the office, so our car is gone.
No, it's not. The car is there.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna sort out all of this, remember?
I thought he took
It's gone. I got the key.
Oh, it's over here. I thought it was down there because it's normally down there.
Not maybe normally.
It was down there before.
No, it's not. We didn't move the car, Ella. We didn't use the car.
Oh, I was probably looking at a different car.
Probably.
Here, our car's over. That's the end one. Like,
No, the car is like in front, as in here. You won't see it there. The car is not there. Well, it's supposed to be.
oh no, it's right
It's
down
over
there.
there.
That's what I
Yeah,
meant.
it's
Down
over
there.
there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
Right
Right, no,
there.
no.
That's our car.
Let me.
A really pretty view.
Okay, that's it.
So pretty. And I like to go in here. It's so big. I'm still videoing.
Okay. So we're gonna sort out things now. Our luggage, everything. Tapos we're gonna put it in the car, and me and Ella will stay here till 11 o'clock.
And we're just gonna watch telly.
Yeah, because if we go now, she will walk and walk and walk
Walk
and
and
walk.
walk and walk and
So
walk
11,
and walk.
'cause we're going back 3 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So.
And we have to
11,
leave
12, 1, 2,
at
3.
the
How many 4 hours?
We have
na
to
walking?
leave the hotel.
You're moving
We
around.
have to leave the hotel by 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, so see you in a bit.
Bye bye. See you in a bit.